I'm going to demonstrate the cat-cow exercise. So for any yoga fanatics, this one will be very familiar to you. So what we're going to do is start off in a thing called tabletop position. So kneeling on the floor, knees about shoulder width apart. Then you're going to place your hands on the floor with the hands directly underneath our shoulders, and your hips and your shoulders should be about 90 degrees with the bend. And that's the starting tabletop position. Keep your fingers wide and your calves about parallel. What we're going to do is breathe in and look up, and breathe out and effectively look down, with a bit of extra torso movement in there as well. So to demonstrate, we'll breathe in and then breathe out.
Really push away from the earth and squeeze the abs.
Breathe in and then breathe out. What this is doing is getting your boxers muscle prepped, ready to keep your shoulders in a good position for the press up. It's also helping with the abs a little bit as well, with that core stability.